Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Samstik Zamani. And on this episode, I'll be challenging any of my friends. If you think you can finish a bottle of Coke within 1 minute, you stand a chance to go with $100. That's a whole sum of 7,000 rupees. You think you can do this? Hit up, let's do this. But here, I'm with...
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Daniel. So I'm here to win the cash prize.
You think you can go with my 7,000?
Yo, this shit is too light. I could take 3 of them.
Wow, I love the energy.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, we'll see after 1 minute.
Let's do it.
Okay. You're good. You think you can do this? God damn it, let's go.
No.
And with me here I have
Sammy the winner.
and
The winner, of course.
both of you are winners. So do you think you can actually go with my 7,000 rupees?
Yeah, bro, I came with the money all the way from Baklabudi, you know?
Okay, that's nice. Let's see.
This is nothing, but
What
you
is
have to
Bakalabudi?
bring that big one.
Okay, let's see who can take my 7,000 rupees. Leave out.
What the fuck?
You have 30 seconds left.
No one is gonna finish it.
I did it.
No,
I did it.
It's supposed.
Wow.
Something that
Wow, this one is winning. So, what happened? You wanted to go with my 7,000 rupees. What happened?
Wallahi, bro, this thing is.
I thought this is very easy.
It's not easy.
Ibrahim, did you open your drink?
I don't see nothing, man, while I'm
I
drinking.
came from college and I took tea, so that's why.
Yeah.
But if you think you can win me, if you think you have what it takes to go with my 7,000 rupees, let's do this, okay? Peace out. So guys, with me again I have...
Yo, what's up? This is Abdul Majid, aka asking Dudu Baroba.
Wow, and?
Alhamdulillah.
Wow, Abdul, do you guys think you can go with my 7,000 rupees?
We'll try.
Wow.
Me, I'm not going to try, I will go with it.
Wow, I love the spirit.
Where's the confidence?
I didn't come here to try.
You came to take my money.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. See you after 1 minute. Wow. Let's seconds. You can do this. You can do it, bro! How many seconds left? 2 seconds. Hey, how many are crying? Come on! It's not easy, very, very easy something. Do it. Time up. Ah! You wanted to go with my money. You could not finish this. Mohammed, you are even crying. That's what, even you are doing, oh my god, drop 1 minute.
Bro, I'm not crying, man. Hey, what's going on? The thing is so cold.
These are men crying, but if you think you can go away with this money, just tell me, let's do this again.
Bro, at least I tried. Look at him.
Bro, you're hungry, man.
Bro, you can't just say hungry.
Huh? And even you look, the way you are
Bro, it's called hard work.
So, see you guys in the next episode. I'm your favorite boy, Samstik Zamani. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.
Don't forget, like, share,
Subscribe.